everybody, and in this video you're going to be learning about how you can create a Discord bot using discord.py. So let's just get started. So here I'm just going to show my screen, and here I've just got Discord and Visual Studio Code. So the first thing that you will want to do is open up your browser. So let's just wait for that, and here. So what you want to do right here is you just want to go ahead and search for Discord app portal, like that. Or you can search for Discord developers. There we go. Just click on that. Actually not there, so we'll just wait for this. So discord.com/developers, and then just go over to apps. So this is what we want. So right here, okay, I have to log in, so just give me a second. So I'm just gonna log in. So here I've just gone ahead and logged in, and what I'm basically gonna do is click on this new application button. So here, the name, what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna give it you can just give it any name that you want, but for now I'm just gonna call this Discord, or actually let's give it a proper name. So let's just do like actually no, let's just do discord.py bot, like so, and then we're just going to click on that create button. So create, and okay, so I just had to like verify my account, and I've just gone ahead and done that. Now we can actually just click create, and then as you can see, it creates the Discord bot. So basically right over here, you can change the name whenever you want here, and then you can also do description if you want. So now this isn't a bot application yet, so basically what you need to do for that is go over here to bot, and then click on this add bot button, and then click yes, do it. So it's going to take some time, and then there we go. So now as you can see, the bot is right over here. So that's exactly what we want. So now I've just gone ahead and done that, and now the next thing that you need to do is here I have this project created on Visual Studio Code. So now I'm just going to create a new file called let's just do discord.py, or let's do discord_bot.py, and then it basically just creates the file right over here. I just collapse the open editors, and then here what you want to do is actually before doing anything here, you need to do pip. So it's basically like a package manager for Python, and then just check if it's actually installed. So just do pip-version. So just run that command right over here. So, and there we go. So that's from Python 3.9, and then just do Python. If this pops up here, your Python should actually be installed, but just in case, just check Python-version, and there we go. Python 3.9.6. So that's what we want. So we can actually close that page right over there, and then here we need to do pip install discord.py, and just click enter. So now as you can see, it's just gone ahead and installed. So the next thing that you need to do is so this command, basically what it did was it just installed a package which we needed, so discord.py. So now we need to do import discord.py and do from actually right here it's not discord.py, it's just discord, and then just do from discord.ext import commands, like so. So here we're just importing the Discord, and we're importing Discord from discord.ext, we're importing the commands. So now what we will do is just do client. So we're going to define a variable which is equal to commands.bot, and then we will pass in command prefix, which is equal to let's do an exclamation mark. So exclamation mark like so. And then now we will define our first event. So client.event like so. So this bot function, this is actually a function that's built into this command. So now let's continue on with this, and then we'll do a sync, and then we will define a function called, let's do ready, and we're gonna here just do print bot is ready, like so. So we're actually getting some errors right over here, and that's basically because I've got this indent. So I'm just going to remove that and the indent right over there too. And now what we're gonna do is just do client.run. So we're just running the actual client. So now the next thing that we need to do is go over here to Discord developer portal, and then just go over and scroll down here, or sorry, right over here. So the token. So this is a very important part of the bot. So this is basically what connects the bot to your actual code that you've written right over here. And do not share this token with anyone, because then they can use this token, and then they have full control over your bot. So you don't really want that to happen. So do not share this. And actually I'm going to just paste this in right over here, and I'm going to regenerate the token after the video. So just paste that in right over there, then just go ahead and save that. Now we need to go over to this. So OAuth 2, just click on it, and then just scroll down right over here, then check this bot checkbox, and then just give it administrator permissions, and then just go ahead and hit the copy button. Now that's the link that you need to go ahead and enter on your browser. So just wait for this, and let this just load up. And then as you can see right over here, and you need to select a server. So right over here I've just selected my server, so discord.py Discord server. So I'm just going to click enter, or sorry, next, and then just click on authorize. Now just do I am human. Okay, and then that should go ahead and take you to Discord. So yep, there we go. So it's authorized. And then now if I come here and then just go over to the Discord server, as you can see, the actual bot is right over here, right? So now as you can see, it shows that it's offline. So to make it come on online also, I'm just going to give it the bot role right over here, and then to make it come online you need to run this application. So just go ahead and run it, and then it will actually go ahead and come online. So just wait for this. And so actually right over here we can actually run it right now. So here where it says async def, just go ahead and name this to on ready. So it was just a small typo right there, and now click run, and then that should work. So it should open up a new terminal called Python, and then it'll go ahead and run the actual application there. And as you can see, it just ran the application and it says bot is ready. Now we come back here, as you can see, the bot is actually online. And now that's pretty much it for this video. And yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye.